Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to open an eBay seller account for dropshipping. First of all of course, you have to open ebay.com. Once you've landed in this page, you go to sign in. But if you don't have an eBay account, you can register here. Alright, so I'm in my account now. As you can see here, you can open your account. So if you want to open a seller account, we simply go to here, click sell here. After we got here, actually we can directly list our item here. But the most important thing before we are listing an item, we have to set up our payment first. So what you gotta do is go to my eBay here and then go to selling. In the selling overview, you can see my selling overview, which is $0. Now, once you're here, you go to payments. Still in the selling section, go to payments. And right below it, you can scroll add payment option. So you can use your credit card or debit card here. Click continue and add your card info. But since I'm just showing a tutorial now, I'm not gonna do it right now. So I'm just gonna close it. But make sure you have added payment option before you listing a product. Okay, so if you want to go back to your selling page, you just click selling here and click seller dashboard. Now you can see here, start selling. You can click here if you want to start selling now. And you're brought back to this page, list an item. So click here. And finally, you can start enter your product information. I'm gonna go with Game Boy Advance here. Now you can find a match, but if you don't want to, you just click this continue without match. And then you have to select the condition of your item. Is it used, open box, or new? I'm gonna click new. And in this new page, you have to enter more information like the photos of your product. If you want to change the title, you can change the title, the brand, the color, the type, the description, and pricing. So I think that's pretty much on how to open an eBay seller account. I hope this video might be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.